Congratulations on getting your new A.O. Smith Pro Planet P8 water purifier. Here's your guide to using it. With just one press, you can control water dispensing. P8 comes with 3 temperature modes for you to choose from: normal, warm and hot. The default factory setting is the normal mode. Normal mode at room temperature is indicated by a blue spectrum of light. Warm mode of up to 45 degrees Celsius is indicated by a purple spectrum of light. Hot mode up to 80 degrees Celsius is indicated by a red spectrum of light on the right side of the display. Turn the knob clockwise to switch temperature modes. To dispense water in the normal mode, press the knob when the display indicates normal mode. To dispense warm water, turn the knob clockwise and you will see the temperature starting to rise. Press the knob to dispense water at your preferred temperature. To ensure safety, child lock is activated once the temperature reaches 50 degrees Celsius. To deactivate child lock, press and hold the knob for 3 seconds until UL is displayed on the screen. Please note that water above 50 degrees Celsius will be dispensed only after unlocking the child lock function. Also, child lock can be unlocked only in hot mode. Now that child lock is disabled and you will see the temperature starting to rise, press the knob to dispense water at your preferred temperature above 50 degrees Celsius. After 1 minute of inactivity in hot mode, child lock will be reactivated to avoid accidental hot water dispensing. Follow the same procedure as mentioned earlier to unlock it. When in hot mode, to turn off heating at any point of time, turn the knob from hot to normal mode. At the time of purchase, water purifier is in the normal mode by default. After 5 minutes of inactivity in any mode, the water purifier automatically switches back to the default mode. To change the default setting from normal to warm, turn the knob clockwise to warm mode. Then, press and hold the knob for 10 seconds until the LED blinks thrice. Your default setting is now changed to warm mode. To change the default mode back to normal, rotate the knob anti-clockwise. Then, press and hold the knob for 10 seconds until the LED blinks thrice. Your default setting is now changed back to normal mode. Whether it's a refreshing cup of tea or a tasty cup of noodles that you're making, one tap of the A.O. Smith Pro Planet P8 is all it takes. For any further assistance, contact us on our website.